and that his state, over 400 villages, was taken in control by the bandits. Over 400 villages. Under his watch, there were so many terrorist activities that happened under his watch in Zamfara. So how come somebody that cannot even defend Zamfara state, you are not giving him a minister of defense for state? There is a latest update that Ecowas are meeting in Ghana. Meeting in Ghana in regards Niger. Now, share this video. It is a breaking news. Share the video. Now, Ecowas is meeting in Ghana to discuss logistics on how to send military to Niger. Standby posts. That is what they are calling it. You know, everything they are doing have a name. It's called standby posts. They are sending a standby post. So before they will send the standby post, they are meeting in Ghana as we speak. The meeting is going to continue tomorrow. They are going to send a standby post to Niger, but they want to discuss the logistics on the standby post they are going to send to Niger. This is what I said in my last video. I said when the president of Ivory Coast is saying that it is a ECOWAS versus Niger, that it's not Nigeria versus Niger. And I am asking Alexander Katara, I am asking him, saying that Nigeria, being the giant of Africa, will be the one to even bring almost 90% of the resources that they need, both in financial resources and human resources that they will use for Niger. That is what I'm saying. I even said that there is a news that came out that Niger has agreed to dialogue with ECOWAS. As a matter of fact, the Northern Forum and Northern elders are telling the military junta told ECOWAS to tell Nigeria to remove the sanction that they have given to them. The sanctions that they have given to them, if you remove the sanction, it will enable them to even come to the table to dialogue. They said they are ready to dialogue. I thought we are heading to the road of peace. All of a sudden, you are saying that you want to assemble a standby force to invade Niger again. Why do you want to do that? I thought we have all embraced peace. Even the Mali president went to see Putin. He went to see Putin, and Putin told him that they should use peaceful method in this Niger crisis, that they should not even fight. That is what Putin is even telling him. So how come now all this peace that we are expecting and we are happy that peace has even come? How come ECOWAS is now meeting in Ghana to discuss how they can send standby force, to discuss logistics? Allah, please, we don't want any war in Africa. Please, please, we don't. I am still calling on the ECOWAS to please not look at the war aspect. Look at the peaceful aspect. They have said that they are willing to dialogue. As a matter of fact, they are even transitioning by themselves to democracy. So how come they want to ever attack them again? Please, please, please. I just thought I should bring you the updates. This is the update on Niger. That is not the reason why I'm even doing my video. The reason why I'm here, please don't forget to share the video, is in regards to ministers that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has given. Congratulations to all the ministers. Congratulations to all of them. Governor Nyesom Wike is the minister of FCT. The question is, congratulations, His Excellency Nyesom Wike, for being the minister of FCT. But my question is, you are a minister under which party? Are you still in PDP or you are in APC? Let us know, because I am watching I'm seeing trending videos online that Wike is now the minister of FCT, and he might even go and he might be facing Wadata House, that's the PDP headquarters, to go and see if they have correct CFO, to see if he can take the building from them. One thing I know for sure is that politics is not like that. politics, opposition in politics is very important. Even the ruling party acknowledges the presence of opposition. Yes, that is the game for you. If you are playing a football match, you are not going to say it's only Barcelona cannot play against Barcelona. They have to play against Real Madrid and other teams. So opposition is important. Opposition is allowed. Opposition is welcome. So I don't think Wike, being the minister of FCT, he will now go and be fighting PDP or fight any PDP. I don't think anybody should get a position to go and fight somebody. The reason why they even give you the position is for you to come and work. Whether you like it or not, you are serving us. You are serving the nation. So you have to work and you have to do the right thing. To another minister they gave, that is the one that I am raising my eyebrow for. Former governor of Zamfara State, Matewale, as the Minister of Defense for State. Now, that is where Tinubu got it all wrong. Because I don't know why you are going to give a man that his state, over 400 villages, was taken in control by the bandits. Over 400 villages. Under his watch, there were so many terrorist activities that happened under his watch in Zamfara. So how come somebody that cannot even defend Zamfara State, you are not giving him a minister of defense for state? I don't think it is right at all. I don't know. This is totally wrong. That is where I don't like it. Because you have to give somebody a job. It's just like if I'm going to a bank for an interview, or if I'm going to any office for an interview, they will ask me my experience, working experience. What experience do I have? If I have experience, my experience will even help me in the job. Your experience as a governor, under your watch, a lot of things happen in Zamfara State. How comes that a man that have a case with EFCC is not a minister? Let's even leave the fact that he has a case with EFCC. Let us look at the fact that this is a man that his state was under. His state, Zamfara is a no-go area. So how come you are not giving Matewale Minister of State for Defense? That is where I'm even tired of the country. Are you trying to move us forward, or you are trying to favor your friends? Are you trying to move us forward, or you are favoring your friends? Somebody should ask the president. Somebody should ask the president what his intentions are. Are your intentions for us, the citizens, or are your intentions for your friends to empower them? Because to me, I feel it is wrong. Matewale is not supposed to be any minister of state for defense at all, or minister of defense for state. No. Honestly speaking, I am totally disappointed. I felt so much pain. There are so many people that are qualified for that job. So many people that are qualified for that job. How come you now, it is Matewale that you are giving? How come? I am totally disappointed. For the Ecowas, please, like I'm still appealing to you to please not invade Niger. Like I always say, it is a bloodless coup, and this military junta has handed over to a former minister as the prime minister, and they are gradually moving to democracy. Why did they even go to coup in the first place? They said the president has compromised their country, their resources, their security. He paid blind attention to the security crisis in the country. As a matter of fact, due to the security crisis in Niger, it affects us in Nigeria. And these people say, no, the president has done enough. We have resources. We have uranium. We have diamond. We have gold. But we don't have light. We are suffering. We have resources, but we are suffering. And they say, no, peacefully they remove the president. There was no gunshot. So how come you are not assembling a standby force? The person that we were afraid of, that we are saying he really wants to fight Putin, is even advising Mali that they should use peaceful means to even solve the Niger crisis. So what are you now assembling a standby force for? Allah, please embrace peace. Even as I'm trying to talk, some people will still watch the video and say I don't have sense. I agree. Is it today you are telling me I don't have sense? I agree. But I am the spice creator. Google me if you like. Don't Google me. Don't forget to share this video and follow my page.